Afternoon, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Okay, children. Today we are going to see table of singular and plural. And this is the table given for you. So all of you open your classwork note and start writing this. First of all, divide your book into note into two parts. Page இருக்கு இல்லையா அந்த பேஜை கரெக்டாக ஈக்குவலாக என்ன செய்யணும் மடிக்கணும் இல்லைன்னா அதில் அப்போ மடிக்கும்போது சென்டரில் லைன் வரும். யூ வில் கெட் a line. So draw a line with a scale and pencil over there, and one side you write the singular, the other side you write plural. சரியாம்மா நான் சொல்ல இப்போ செய்யுங்க. கமான் நான் தமிழில் சொல்கிறேன், யூ டூ இட். பேஜை இந்த எண்ட்லேருந்து அந்த எண்டு கரெக்டாக ஃபோல்டு பண்ணுங்கள், ஈக்குவலாக வச்சு எல்லா பக்கமும் மேலேயும் கீழேயும் பாயிண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் ஒன்றா சேரணும். நவ் ப்ரெஸ் இட். நவ் ஓப்பன் த பேஜ். ஓகே, யூ வில் ஃபைண்ட் அ line in the middle. நடுவில் ஒரு கோடு தெரியும் இல்லையா? Now take a scale, keep it on the line. ஸ்கேல் எடுத்து அந்த லைனில் வச்சு பென்சிலை வச்சு மார்க் பண்ணும். மார்க் இட் வித் த பென்சில். Okay, so you have drawn the line. Okay, children, now write on the top, one side singular and the other side you write plural. Okay, now I will read for you, you write it, okay, but write fast, don't be very slow. If you write in the exact speed, நான் சொல்ல நீங்கள் கரெக்டாக முடிச்சிடலாம். நீங்கள் பார்க்க தேவையே இல்லை, ஸ்க்ரீனை பார்க்க தேவையில்லை. நல்ல ஸ்பீடாக எழுதுனீங்கன்னா நான் சொல்ல அழகாக நீட் அண்ட் ரைட்டிங்கில் எழுதிடலாம். ஓகேம்மா? ஓகே, ஸ்டார்ட். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் சிங்குலர், லைஃப், LIFE, life. Plural, lives, LIVES, lives. Second, knife, KNIFE, knife. Knives, KNIVES, knives. Half, HALF, half. Halves, HALVES, halves. Self, SELF, self. Selves, SELVES, selves. Thief, THIEF, thief. Thieves, THIEVES, thieves. Wife, WIFE, wife. WIVES, wives. Chief, CHIEF, chief. Chiefs, CHIEFS, chiefs. Cliff, CLIFF, cliff. CLIFFS, cliffs. Hoof, HOFF, hoof. HOFFS, hoofs. Proof, PROOF, proof. PROOFS, proofs. Man, M-A-N, man. Min, M-E-N, men. Woman, woman, W-O-M-A-N, woman. Women, W-O-M-E-N, women. Mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Mice, M-I-C-E, mice. Louse, L-O-U-S-E, louse. Lice, L-I-C-E, lice. Now next, continue. Family, F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. Families, F-A-M-I-L-I-E-S, families. Fly, F-L-Y, fly. Flies, F-L-I-E-S, flies. Lady, L-A-D-Y, lady. Ladies, L-A-D-I-E-S, ladies. Story, S-T-O-R-Y, story. Stories, S-T-O-R-I-E-S, stories. Bamboo, B-A-M-B-O-O, bamboo. Bamboos, B-A-M-B-O-O-S, bamboos. Cuckoo, C-U-C-K-O-O, cuckoo. C-U-C-K-O-O-S, cuckoos. Radio, R-A-D-I-O, radio. R-A-D-I-O-S, radios. Buffalo, B-U-F-F-A-L-O, buffalo. Buffaloes, B-U-F-F-A-L-O-E-S, buffaloes. Hero, H-E-R O-H-E-R-O, hero. Heroes, H-E-R-O-E-S, heroes. Mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. Mangoes, M-A-N-G-O-M-A-N-G-O-E-S, mangoes. Potato, P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. Potatoes, P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S, potatoes. Cuff, C-A-L-F, cuff. C-A-L-F, cuff. Calves, C-A-L-V-E-S, calves. C-A-L-V-E-S, calves. Leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. Leaves, Leaves, leaves. Leaves, leaves. Loaf, loaf, loaf. Loaf, loaf. Loaves, loaves, loaves. Loaves, loaves, loaves. Did you children see all the differences, ma? The spelling differences? Yes? Okay. Now continue. Special plural nouns. Special plural nouns. Okay, right there. Leave one line and write there special, SPECIAL, some special plural nouns. Special plural nouns. Okay. Number one, under singular, you make two columns more. You make two columns, singular and plural. Okay. Now, under singular column, you will write child. CHILD, child. CHILD, child. And now under plural, you will write children. CHILDREN, children. CHILDREN, children. Dear, deer. DEER, deer. DEER, deer. Plural is also same. Okay, ma. Plural is also same. There is no change in plural. So write the same spelling. DEER, deer. Fish. FISH, fish. FISH, fish. Both the side FISH, fish. Singular and plural, you write fish. Foot, FOOT, foot. FOOT, foot. Plural is feet. FEET, feet. FEET, feet. Next, goose. GOOSE, goose. GOOSE, goose. Plural, geese. GEESE, geese. GEESE, geese. Knife we have already written, leaf and all, man, men. Mouse, MOUSE, mouse. MOUSE, mouse. Mice, MICE, mice. MICE, mice. Octopus, OCTO, PUS, octopus. OCTO, PUS, octopus. Plural, octopi. OCTOPI, octopi. OCTOPI, octopi. Person, PERSON, person. PERSON, person. People, PEOPLE, people. PEOPLE, people. Sheep, SHEEP, sheep. SHEEP, sheep. Plural is also the same, sheep. Write the same spelling in plural. Tooth, T-O-O-T-H, tooth. T-O-O-T-H, tooth. Teeth, T-E-E-T-H, teeth. T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Wife, W-I-F-E, wife. W-I-F-E, wife. Wives, W-I-V-E-S, wives. W-I-V-E-S, wives. Wolf, W-O-L-F, wolf. W-O-L-F, wolf. Wolves, W-O-L-V-E-S, wolves. W-O-L-V-E-S, wolves. Okay, now the next one. Father, F-A-T-H-E-R, father. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Fathers, F-A-T-H-E-R-S, fathers. F-A-T-H-E-R-S, fathers. Mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Mothers, M-O-T-H-E-R-S. Sister, S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. Just add S in the plural, S-I-S-T-E-R-S, sisters. Uncle, U-N-C-L-E, uncle. Uncles, U-N-C-L-E-S, uncles. Bird, B-I-R-D, bird. B-I-R-D-S, birds. Emma, just add S in plural, okay ma? I'll tell you only singular, you just add S in the plural. Boy, B-O-Y, boy. You add B-O-Y-S in plural. Y ki பக்கத்துல S சேர்த்துக்க. Bone, B-O-N-E, bone. Plural எழுதும்போது E க்கு பக்கத்துல S சேர்த்துக்கிடணும். Okay? Bones, B-O-N-E-S, bones. Cow, C-O-W, cow. In plural, you add C-O-W-S. T-O-Y, toy. T-O-Y-S, toys. L-E-G, leg. L-E-G-S, legs. S-H-O-P, shop. S-H-O-P-S, shops. C-A-R, car. C-A-R-S, cars. Woman, woman, man, men, child, children, tooth, teeth, feet, foot, feet, person, people, leaf, leaves, mouse, mice. Table, tables. Table, tables. T-A-B-L-E, table. T-A-B-L-E-S, tables. C-H-A-I-R, chair. C-H-A-I-R-S, chairs. H-O-R-S-E, horse. H-O-R-S-E-S, horses. H-O-R-S-E-S, horses. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T-S, cats. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G-S, dogs. Okay, so here we end our singular and plural. Now you have to take a new page and write there letter, L-E-T-T-E-R, letter as a heading. So this letter, how to write, I told you in the last video. I will show you. சரியா? ஃபுல்லாக எப்படி எக்ஸாக்ட் எழுதுன்ட்டு இன்னொருக்க சொல்லித்தரேன்னு சொல்லியிருந்தேன். And we will see this in our next video. So children, all of you, just take your homework note and write the singular plural table two times, okay, and learn it so that you can remember. That is your homework. Say and write. Okay children, take care children. Bye for now. See you in the next video.